Good evening. Well, I'm here in the shed to test out a repair on an old Lima diesel loco. Let's have a quick look at what I'm talking about. It's the Western Renown. It's class 52 Lima. It's got one of those, I think they call them pancake motors in. And in the process of doing some servicing, trying to clean the thing up and all sorts, I managed to fracture the chassis in two places, there and there. I think it fractured in one place because this is a press fit into the plastic chassis, plastic base, and then it broke somewhere else. Anyway, I attempted to repair using a staple, piece of wire melted into the plastic across those joints because they are very small, weak joints. But what I've done now is repaired it with super glue and dehydrated wet wipe. That white thing there, you might call it a dry wipe, but a wet wipe that's dried out, which is tougher than paper but absorbent, so that it's like, my feeling about it is it's like when I used to do epoxy resin repairs to cars with some fiberglass matting. It's not fiberglass, but it's sort of matting which the super glue has soaked into. Anyway, it has held it enough for me to get the motor back into the chassis and the chassis back into the body. So let's see if it runs. Let's run it the other way first of all. Well, right, that's better alignment. How things move. That bolt isn't aligned now, but I've had to move this lift up section to align that. Well, let's try again. Well, I do have it now on the track, and it appears to be running okay in that direction. Stop it there. And it appears to be running okay in that direction. Well, that's a loco which is running. I don't know how it will go on the slightly smaller radius of the junior layout at the railway club, but if the bogie will turn, we'll be all right. That's about right for the performance of one of these. Yeah, we're not going to get much better than that.